Crunchyroll adds Assassin's Pride, Gundam Build Divers re-rise anime. Both anime premieres on Thursday. Crunchyroll announced on Monday that it will stream the Assassin's Pride and Gundam Build Divers re-rise anime. Assassin's Pride will launch on Crunchyroll on Thursday at October 10 at 10 a.m., 11 a.m. for users in North America, Central America, South America, Europe, Africa, Oceania, and the Middle East. Gundam Build Divers re-rise will launch on Crunchyroll on Thursday, October 10 at 7 p.m. for users in North America, Central America, South America, Europe, Africa, Oceania, and the Middle East.